In the year of the pandemic, two things were taking place simultaneously. The need for personal mobility was increasing, and at the same time, car buyers' budgets were shrinking. The result is what a Mahindra First Choice Wheels report says was a meteoric rise in the used car market. Let's take you through some key interesting trends from this report. First, the size of the pre-owned car market. In FY20, this market in India stood at 4.2 million units annually, which is 50% higher than the new car industry with 2.8 million units in annual sales. This is significantly higher as compared to FY19, where the difference was 0.6 million units or only 21% greater than new car volumes. The used car market saw a growth of 5% year on year, while the new car market contracted by 17.8% compared to the previous fiscal. Now, while the pandemic slowed the used car market, the report notes there's still a huge upside in the next 5 years. Used car volumes are expected to jump to 7.1 million units by 2025 with a CAGR of 11% for the next 5 years, even as the new car space recovers from a demand-supply mismatch, reduced operations and higher costs. Now, the used car to new car ratio represents the majority of the pre-owned car industry. In India, this ratio held steady between FY16 to FY19 at 1.2, but the tipping point was just before the start of the COVID-19 pandemic in FY20, which pushed this ratio up to 1.5. Due to a pointed shift in consumer behavior led by OEMs and tech players organizing the market, the trend only amplified in FY21 and is expected to close at 2.2 times the volumes of the new car market because of a temporary jump due to a large dip in new car sales on account of COVID-19. Now, how does this fare globally? In China, the new car industry still dominates in yearly sales, with the ratio only being 0.5%. In India, it currently stands at 1.55 as of FY20, whereas in developed markets like the USA and UK, the ratio is 2.3 and 3.4 respectively. Now, momentum in the used car market is also dependent on a steady supply of retail-worthy pre-owned cars, and a marked shift in consumer behavior is going to ensure that criteria is fulfilled. Key reasons for this will be lower car ownership cycles, which have come down to 4.5 years in FY20 from 6 years back in FY11. Now, car shopping online was also a big trend which emerged during the pandemic. Organic searches for used cars grew by over 40% between Jan 20 and 21 across all digital platforms in India. They stood at 3.28 million for Jan 2020 and were at 4.6 million as of Jan 21, peaking in September 2020 at 4.8 million. Now, considering the used car shift is now a sticky trend, more than 40% of the buyers surveyed are likely to buy another used car as their next purchase too, with an average budget of 7 lakh rupees. So, as the pre-owned car market came into its own in 2020, FY21 only seems to further that story.